Kumshi bynta ban wanrah ka jingïatylli bat ka jingïadei ka bajan Hapdeng ki nongrep ha ka jylla ka kynhun treimon sngewbha ban kyrshan ki nongrep ka Abani ryngkat bat ka red horns division ka focus ka infinite solutions bat ka out there public engagement kila shim ka sienjam ban pynlong ka lympung ïalehkai phutbol ka balatip kum ka farmers world cup arajar arpuar haba lalong ha ka shnong Marngar Ri-Bhoi District. Ya katei Lumpung, sdang naduh kalai tarik ubnai leber, arajar arpuar, badlapan kudno ha kajing yakun final kabalalong, menta kasni kanyo tarik ujemang arajar arpuar, hadin kajing yakun kabasyongshit, Hapdeng ka Marngar Women Team, persya ka South Garo Hills, ha kalyang kintei, bat ka Marngar Mens Team, persya ka West Garo Hills, ha kalyang shendrang, wat Hapdeng kajing penthut jong Islam. Hapdeng ka jingïakun ka bajur ha kalyang jong kikintei ka South Garo Hills kalala man pelim ya ka Marngar Women Team da ka shiku lanot bat ha ka jingïakun jong kishin rangpat ka Marngar Men Team kalala man pelim no ya ka West Garo Hills da laingol lanot. Katei ka lumpung kalalong ru shi bynta ban raki ya ka jingno senyang jong nongrep siya ka imlang salang. Bat kidon naduh kat artli ki kynhun ki balawan banya shim bynta na keleng ka rilum kasi bat garo. Hakani ka sngi final lawan ban sakhilang da u Major General S. Murugesan u General Officer Commanding Red Horns Division u Emily ka Nongpo Constituency u ba Merrill Bonds Aim u Colonel P.P. Sharma Commanding Officer 1st Assam Regiment Brigadier T.S. Hoti, previous commanding Spearhead Brigade, Brigadier K.M. Shinde, Shaurya Chakra Commander, Spearhead Brigade, but Kiwe.
Football for everyone. There will be lots of fun. Farming for all to see. Living in harmony. Football for everyone. We're having so much fun. Farming for all to see. Living in harmony. Kidang come step, kijat kimare, shaba jenam. Kamet nin kilan, man smart pat pan sting, haying ni hamadan. Man bet pat pan art, man lat ka sang shot, sa she said. Man shimya ka ball, man boy kam shalom. Football for everyone, we're having so much fun. Farming for all to see, living in harmony.
Chakatei preng wali, katang jok thang sum, gebab ya puna. Nambap na kreng na, bin barut cheng na, lupo je kai apalo. Abani bitirang, cha au siya ko champenga. Rubo kora china chengba.
Football for everyone, we're having so much fun. Farming for all to see, living in harmony. Football for everyone, we're having so much fun. Farming for all to see, living in harmony.
Bishop.
Constituency here. Our respected brigadier sir, our respected group commanding officer, that are present over here to grace this occasion, and our organizer for the event, Major Major Ajit. Thank you so much for inviting me to this occasion to actually see such a vibrant farmer community being engaged across from the state. I'm really happy to see such participation from several villages, several areas of our state. And a big congratulations to both the winners for the female and male football finals. I hope that with this we initiate a program which will go on for a lot of time to come. And each year we'll put Ajay ji in the spotlight again to organize such events while we'll support from the background. Thank you so much.
All the dignitaries from the Assam Regiment, the CEO of Basin, the Mr. Ajit Singh, Mr. Kyrshan, and all concerned for this beautiful program that you have organized for the last 2 weeks to encourage for the farmers of our state. Let me speak in local language also with your permission. I dap daging sokemen ka bakraw bani don rekat akan ni segi na kabanta kanika jing kendulang akan ni ka farmer world cup kanika ïalehkai football na kabanta ki nongrep ki jungi kanika initiative ka bala shim na kaliang jong ka red horn division jong Assam regiment agak jeng ryngkat bat kiwi ki NGO lala aban penurlong ya kene ka jeng temu ke bakepang bat ngingit skam bagani kan wara ya jingïatylli Hapdeng jong ki ïalehkai football kybadei ki nongrep ki jungi po ke jylla. We wish all the best bat ni kitbok kiryang ya baro bat bangi kermen bagi por ki benangwan ginangla abani kendo nagapor sa kapor ribakum kini ki lympung.
Good evening to everyone. I'm very happy to be here for this Farmers World Cup football tournament, and I'm grateful to Mr. Sam, MLA of the constituency here, Mr. Jagdish, who is a civil servant, and Major Ajit, and all the young boys and girls who came and participated in this tournament. It's very, even the place where the game was played, it gives a very homely feeling for me because I also come from a village like this. And this is a very unique concept of having this Farmers World Cup tournament here. This is just the beginning, and it is the driving force behind that is Major Ajit. A special compliment to him. And I'm told before I came here that all the teams which have come from various places, they exchange the seats between the other participants. That is a great gesture on part of all the players who came and participated in the tournament. And I once again thank the dignitaries who come to felicitate and also encourage the local people. And the very fact that the MLA is here, that is a big motivation for the people here and the local team, probably because of his support, the local team won. So I'm very happy about that. And also a word of thanks to my comrades in uniform. They also have taken a lot of pains to organize this tournament. The commander here and the commanding officer, the First Assam, Colonel Ray Prakash, and the rhinos who I see all around. Thank you everybody. And since I mentioned about Major Ajit, who has been the driving force or the main brainchild behind this, I would like to present a check to him to further take this tournament ahead. And I wish the same kind of tournament happens every year. Even if I'm not posted here, I'll try and come to see such tournaments.
The Farmers World Cup is basically an event where we mobilize the farming community and to play football. And football is a catalyst, it's a place where farmers can come together and interface with each other and knowledge sharing. So the Farmers World Cup therefore is a celebration of the farmers' world and farmers' life. Like somebody says, we need a doctor once a while or an engineer once a while, but we need the service of a farmer every day. Lunch, dinner, and breakfast early in the morning. So it's given me so much purpose, and us as organizers so much purpose to be able, to pitch in and see the joy of how and when these farmers play their football. So we are looking at a possibility and a hope that this will continue in the next 5 years at least. And I'm sure Arki will also have something to say. What is the plan for us? What do you think, Arki?
Yeah, I totally agree. It's something like totally unique, and like we started with something so small, and now it's blossomed to something so. And it's so nice to see farmers actually making friends. Garo Hills and the people from Ri-Bhoi coming in together making friends. But this will not be the end. We have something in store. We have a legacy plan which we are working on right now on how we can actually generate more interest into this, and this might just be something that which can capture way more developmental aspects for the farmers. Basically, they are the champions of this whole thing. So that is what we feel.
As it is, I think the event now we had about 12 teams and about 7 or 8 teams from the Garo Hills. So it is a pan-state, it's the entire Meghalaya. Participants from different parts of Meghalaya have come here. And the Farmers World Cup is not about football. It's football, as I said, is a catalyst. At the end of the day, at the epicenter of it all, it is the farmers and the welfare of the farming community. So that knowledge sharing, that learning from each other.
See, through my experience, most of the sporting talent comes from rural areas, right? We seek such opportunities. So the Farmers World Cup will hopefully provide that opportunity. Hopefully through the midst of all of this, even though the farmers are, the champions of this just speaks out for them. But hopefully we give them that encouragement, the encouragement that they can come here and play at the same time. The world is ready to hear you. The world is ready to hear about your practices. Using something as large, as simple as football to speak out to the world. So we will. This is your platform. It's none of us. It's all about the. Organize kani ka sdang ni kong do kani ka Abani ka jong major ajit, but ka jong kita play lang bali. Ti kistang ni kong di small football ti nang to pada kau ki cutting ni ka ni by football ibarat tournament ki ibarat menta pada kala expand ki wan singi ki ong nila panem no, but nang to ngia lang ngia kamen te ka di maki ka Abani but ka FTC ti maki but ki yok sport na Red Horns division jong ka army ti maki kia combine lang ikani, but andang nila ekran tingi ong tong ini khat ki nakibar na ki wiki districts, but ngiyo ki districts ngiyo na East Garo Hills, West Garo Hills ni dan na Ri-Bhoi kami na Ri-Bhoi nang ta na South West Garo Hills main kiwan na Garo Hills but na Ri-Bhoi ta ki dang sang mentangi dan katei ki team total southly jong katei but 100 shenrak santli shenrak.